grade 5 learners. This is Teacher Elvira, your teacher in Math 5. This time, you will learn how to divide decimals with up to 2 decimal places. Have you experienced going far places? How many kilometers did you travel? Let us study this problem. Joel jogs every day. If he jogged 9,500 kilometers in 2,500 hours, what was his average speed? Then how will you find the answer to this problem?
To divide the decimal, change the divisor into a whole number. Multiply both the divisor and the dividend by the same power of 10, or simply move the decimal places to the right until the divisor becomes a whole number. Then proceed to division. So going back to the problem, let us get the average speed of Joel as he jogged. To get the speed, we will divide the distance by the time spent. Step 1. Move the decimal point of the divisor to place to the right as well as the decimal point of the dividend. The same places as you move the decimal point of the divisor to make both a whole number. Step 2. Divide. Continue dividing until the difference is equal to 0. Step 3. Check. Multiply the quotient and the divisor. The answer must equal to the dividend.
Let me show you how to solve the problem. 95 hundredths divided by 25 hundredths. So 95 hundredths is our dividend and 25 hundredths is our divisor. So to make a whole number, we will move 2 decimal places in our divisor. So since we move 2 decimal places in our divisor, we will move also 2 decimal places in our dividend. So the decimal point will be here, then a fixed decimal point to the quotient. And step 2, divide. So to make it clear, 25 decimal point here, then we will put decimal point to the quotient. 95 divided by 25 is equal to 3. 3 times 25 is equal to 75. 95 minus 75 is equal to 20. Since we have decimal point, we can now add 0, then bring down 0. 200. 200 divided by 25 is equal to 8. 8 times 25 is equal to 200. 200 minus 200 is 0 or no remainder. Step 3, check. So we will multiply the quotient and the divisor. So 3 and 8 tenths times 25. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. 5 times 3, 15, plus 4, 19. 2 times 8, 16. Carry 1, bring down 6. 2 times 3, 6. Plus 1, 7. Then 0, 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 9. So since we have one decimal point, we will put decimal point here. So therefore, 3 and 8 tenths is divided by 6 tenths. So 15 hundredths is our dividend and 6 tenths is our divisor. So to make a whole number, we will move the decimal place, the decimal point here. Since we move one decimal place, we will move also one decimal place in our dividend. So we will put the decimal point here, then affix the decimal point to the quotient. So step 2, we will divide. So to make it clear, then affix the decimal point to the quotient. 1 divided by 6 is equal to 0. 0 times 6, 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then bring down 5. 15 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 2 times 6, 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. Since this is decimal place, we can now add 0. Then bring down 0 to make 30. 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 30 minus 30 is 0 or no remainder. So step 3, we will check. We will multiply the quotient and the divisor. 25 hundredths times 6. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 6 times 2, 12. Plus 3, 15. Carry 1, bring down 5, then bring down 1. Since we have 2 decimal places, we will put 2 decimal places, or we will put the decimal point here. So, same. Therefore, 25 hundredths is correct. For your exercises, find the quotient of the following.
Let us now check your answers. Is your answer same like this? Then you are correct.
I hope you enjoy our lesson. See you next time. Goodbye.